The DATEPART function is used to split a certain part of a data containing date-time information. Two parameters are sent to the function. The first parameter represents the desired part of the date-time data. The second parameter is a date-time type data. Let's better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. In the first example, two parameters are sent to the DATEPART function. The first parameter represents the desired part of the date-time data. The second parameter must be a date-time type data. I used a function that returns a value of data type date-time. In short, I prepared a select query that will return the current year. Since we are now in 2023, it returned 2023. I will run the other examples in order. Consider that we need the year information of the date-time data. We can run this SQL. Let's see the month information. The value 6 is printed. We can also split day, hour, minute, second and millisecond values. We can use the day of year parameter to find which day of the year the date-time type data corresponds to. We use the week parameter to find out which week it falls on. We can use the weekday parameter to find which day of the week it falls on. The second parameter sent to the function can be in a column with a date-time data type. Let's do an example about it. I am creating a table with columns ID, first name, last name and date of employment. I am sending some data to the table. I can access the data in the table with the select command. My goal is to reach certain parts of the dates when employees started working. For example, I can reach the year they started working by sending year to the first parameter of the DATEPART function. Let's try other parameters as well. We can reach values such as month, day, hour, minute and second. Let's also try the millisecond, day of year, week and weekday parameters. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.